Hey, this is Dustin with Autostyles, and we're going to be putting a LED football kit on a 2013 Fusion. What we're going to be using is some 50/50 SMB red, green, blue strips. Then we have the red, green, blue controller. Allows you to set it whatever color you want. 7 colors, and you can make custom colors and a whole bunch of custom strobe patterns too. And we mount them on these aluminum rails that we spray paint to allow good mounting places. This is Dustin with Autostyles again, finished with our LED install. As you can see, no wires anywhere, everything's hidden. Ready to give you guys a demo. So, got the controller here, you can set whatever color you want. You can go to the basic colors, or it also has other functions where it strobes through, it fades between colors, sparks between colors. You can also set custom colors, which a lot of people like to do. Make sure to check us out at Autostyles.biz. That's all for now. Thanks.